I insist on coming to the customer conference every year.
It's a real privilege to welcome you all again together. I see a lot of familiar faces in the crowd, so great. Welcome back to those that are on their second, third, fourth conference. Great to see you. It's always good to see new faces as well. This is your event.
Well, when our customers attend our conferences, they genuinely get an experience that just cannot be replicated.
My number one reason for coming back to the conference each year is to get the value that we get from networking with the Chevin team, as well as the other attendees here from other companies. We're allowed to see how they operate within their FleetWave environment.
So customers get an opportunity to not only get insight into the direction of the product, but also to influence that direction.
I insist on coming to the customer conference every year because of the information about new products that's coming out, the tips on how to improve the way we're currently using FleetWave. You don't go to a lot of conferences where you can immediately use what you've learned in your day-to-day business. So I really appreciate that about this conference.
We leave here with a lot of ideas ready to implement as soon as we get back. And a lot of our updates are implemented before we even leave here.
They leave the conference not only with ideas, but with tangible, practical actions that they can take back to drive real value in their organizations.
Once the conference is over and we get back to our office, there's a new energy that we have, and that excitement just drives us to the next level.